welcome to this tutorial. Today I did a model of the air blast load over the composite panel, which is made of two-layer aluminium at the top and the bottom, and the composite at the middle. The composite is the bamboo fiber. We use cohesive method interaction between the parts. Also, the convert blast method is selected. You can see here, if I click on this, you can see the result for the stress, and you can see here the huge failure happen for all parts here, for the aluminium, for the bamboo, and for the bottom aluminium plate. You can see this is the stress propagation at the first, and then the deformation, and after that the damage which happened. You can see that. Let me now request the damage criterion for all parts here as this part. This is the damage criterion for all parts. Let me click on animate to check it frame by frame. You can see after a little bit deformation the damage appeared for aluminium, both aluminium plate, also the bamboo fiber with 16 layer with the fiber orientation. In each layer the fiber orientation is different with the other layer, and you can see the damage which has happened. So now we can use ODB mirror with this and this to make it whole view. See, in the whole view we use 1/4 of the view because of the, you can see that, because of the symmetry, that exists in the model. We use 1/4 of the model. And also we can use now the other damage criterion. For instance, let me to remove the AL top and AL bot, just to add the bamboo fiber, and remove this and remove this, just the bamboo fiber. You can see this frame by frame the damage happen. In the bamboo fiber, and the failure which will also happen with that. See, replace all, and now just replace the bamboo. Okay, request the another damage, and this is the final result. The compressive damage for the fiber, tension damage for the fiber. Let me click on animate to check it. This is the tension damage for the fiber. Compressive damage for the matrix and tension damage for the matrix. And also we have Johnson-Cook damage for the two layer of the aluminium part. And this is the correct view. We can check also anything else like plastic strain, like stress, displacement, or anything. From the history output also we can request, for instance, reaction force, I don't know, the energy, strain energy, total energy, kinematic energy. We can request anything there. For instance here, see, these are the reaction forces. If I click plot, you can see that for one node. We should sum all of them in one diagram. So if you need to model the composite panel which is made with aluminum with damage behavior, also the bamboo fiber with damage behavior under the blast load, you can provide this tutorial. So if you need it, come to our website here, www.abaqusfm.com. Find the English tutorial here, click on the title, then you will have the geometries, material property, step interaction load, and anything here as a result. And then the cost for the CA, IMP, paper, reference material, English video is 26 euros, and you can use a PayPal, Visa, or MasterCard for the payment. Before that, send me an email to this address to tell you about the purchasing process. We will support our tutorials anytime if you have any question. Also, we will answer your question about your project. And if you want to be a master in modeling and simulation in Abaqus, you can provide our full package here. The full package contains more than 400 tutorials about everything. These are about the explosion, impact, welding, biomechanics, I don't know, the electromagnetic, seismic analysis, cyclic loading, concrete structure, steel structure, everything. It's contain everything. You will learn anything from this full package here, and we will publish it at January 22. It contains all our tutorial till that time, and you can use that. And the cost for that is so affordable and it is so exceptional. You can't find anywhere in the web the full package like this with a good price that we will tell you if you send us an email to this address. We will tell you about the price of this full package. Each tutorial contains the INP paper, video file, codes, Fortran codes, I don't know anything else. So if you need it, send me an email to this address. Thank you for your attention.